Most people get dropshipping tools wrong by choosing the wrong automation software, but PriceYak is built to streamline your workflow and save hours of manual work. Today, I'll share my honest review and usage experience. PriceYak automates product imports, inventory syncing, and order fulfillment, primarily for Shopify and WooCommerce stores. You can import products from platforms like eBay and Walmart directly into your store. Most people get this wrong by manually updating prices and stock, which is tedious and error-prone. PriceYak handles it automatically, so you never oversell or misprice items. The software also offers repricing tools. You can set rules to adjust your prices based on competitors, shipping fees, or profit margins. For example, I set a rule to maintain a minimum 20% profit margin, and PriceYak adjusted my listings in real time without any effort. Most dropshippers underestimate how much time this automation saves. They can focus on marketing instead of manual adjustments. Order fulfillment is another strong point. Once a customer places an order, PriceYak automatically purchases the item from the supplier and updates tracking information in your store. This reduces errors and improves customer experience. The platform isn't perfect, though. Some users report occasional syncing delays, especially with high-volume stores, and advanced features require a paid plan. However, for small to medium stores, it's highly efficient and worth the investment. In conclusion, PriceYak is a powerful automation tool for dropshipping. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of inventory and order automation, but using it effectively can save time, reduce errors, and increase profitability. Subscribe for more dropshipping software reviews and tips to help you scale your online store efficiently.